And if you're really into this stuff and you also want to learn a thing or two about how these things interact with neurofeedback, etc., there's some information in there as well. I know I've already covered a lot of information, but there is one more category of technology for the treatment of ADHD and for enhancement of focus in anyone that I would like to emphasize, and that's transcranial magnetic stimulation. Transcranial magnetic stimulation, also called TMS, is achieving increasing popularity nowadays for the treatment of all sorts of neurologic conditions and psychiatric conditions. It is a non-invasive tool. It involves taking a coil. It's a device with a coil that's placed over particular locations in the brain and then sends magnetic stimulation into the brain. It can actually pass through the skull without having to drill through the skull. And nowadays can be used to both lower the amount of activity or increase the amount of activity in specific brain areas. Its spatial precision is not remarkable. That doesn't mean it's not of use, but it is not a super fine-grained tool, okay? It's not a cannon, but it's also not a needle.